kitchen. Hello everyone and welcome to Janaki's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make garlic, tomato and onion kulambu. So the ingredients are, one of my very good friend Deepa Gautam taught me this recipe, so thanks to Deepa. So here I had taken one onion roughly chopped and 3 tomatoes roughly chopped, and I'm going to make a paste of these two. So other ingredients for tempering kulambu we need half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seed, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, around 20 to 25 black peppers, 3 green chilies slit in the middle, and if you want you can add more green chilies, 3 to 4 strands of fresh coriander leaves for garnishing, and 15 to 20 curry leaves. I had taken dry curry leaves. If you got fresh one, use the fresh curry leaves, and half of it I will use it while making kulambu, and half of it I will use it for the garnishing. I'm using a teaspoon of powdered Jaggary to enhance the taste, and it's optional. So around 15 to 20 peeled garlic cloves, and you can add it as a whole or you can roughly chop it. And then salt to taste, half a teaspoon of Asafoetida powder, 1/4 teaspoon I will use it while cooking and 1/4 teaspoon I will use it at the end, 1 cup tamarind water, and I'm using 2 tablespoons of sesame oil for cooking plus 1.5 tablespoon of sesame oil for the garnishing at the end. So first we will make onion and tomato paste. So this is the paste I made. Heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Now add mustard seeds. Keep the pan in medium heat. When mustard seeds starts to splutter, add fenugreek seeds. Add black pepper. Now add green chili and cook it for a minute. Now add roughly chopped garlic. Cook garlic until it turns into golden brown color. Add 7 to 8 curry leaves. Now the garlic has turned into golden brown color. Now at this stage add turmeric powder. Now add Asafoetida powder. Now add tamarind water. Add salt to taste. Now add onion tomato paste. Add water between half a cup to 3/4 cup and keep the heat medium while cooking. Cover it with the lid. Cook it until the liquid is reduced to half and the garlic is cooked well. As you can see, it's reduced to half, and now we will check whether the garlic is cooked or not. So it is cooked now. Now turn the flame from medium to low. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida, add Jaggary powder, chopped coriander leaves and curry leaves. Mix it well. Cover it with the lid and cook it for a minute in low heat. After 1 minute, turn off the heat and our garlic, tomato, onion kulambu is ready. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time with another new recipe. Until then, take care. Bye.